In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to download audio from ElevenLabs in just a few simple steps. Whether you use text-to-speech or the speech-to-speech voice changer, the process is quick, easy, and beginner-friendly. This is perfect if you want to save your generated voice audio as an MP3 file for editing, sharing, or using in your projects later. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your ElevenLabs account and generate the audio you want to download. You can do this by using text-to-speech if you're typing in a script, or by using speech-to-speech if you're transforming an existing voice recording. Once your text or audio input is ready, choose the voice you want and make any adjustments you need, such as stability, style, or similarity settings. Then click to generate the audio. After a few moments, ElevenLabs will process your request and create the finished audio output. When the audio is ready, you'll see it appear in the generated results section on the page. This is the important part, because this is where you can save the file to your device. Look right next to the generated audio and you should see a download button. Now simply click that download button. ElevenLabs will immediately start saving the file to your computer or device as an MP3 file. In most cases, the download will begin automatically, and once it finishes, you can find the audio in your downloads folder or wherever your browser saves files by default. From there, you can rename the file, move it into a project folder, or import it directly into your video editing or audio editing software. If you don't see the download option right away, make sure the audio has fully finished generating. Sometimes the button only appears after the final output is ready. Also, double check that you're looking at the correct generated result if you've created more than one version. That way, you download the exact audio clip you want. And that's it. You've now learned how to download audio from ElevenLabs using either text-to-speech or speech-to-speech and save it as an MP3 file in just a few clicks. It's fast, simple, and a great way to keep your voiceovers organized for future use. If this video helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.